Hi, this is Pallavi Goyal reporting live from the Economic Times Energy Leadership Summit 2024. I'm joined by Mr. N. Senthil, Director, Indian Oil Corporation. So, thank you so much for joining us today. There's a very exciting panel coming up. The discussion point is balancing between oil and gas, more energy, low emissions. How are you looking forward to that?
It is interesting because the panel has people from both the sides. So I represent the emitters, and I would be glad to interact and find out ways because you all know we have our net zero targets fixed, and we have our plans. We'll discuss, and then it's going to be interesting not only from the oil and gas perspective, also from the perspective of the common man. So this, I think, in today's world, this is the most serious concern. Emissions are the most serious concern.
So, India is at the global forefront of this decarbonization journey. What is your perspective on that, and what more could be done?
See, I am very upbeat on the carbon credit. Okay, because in most industries which are already heavily invested, and who are the on the critical side of the emissions, so this gives an immediate incentive to achieve net zero goals. And I'm also happy the government is encouraging trade in carbon credits, and this appears to be the faster way of achieving net zero. That having been said, our initiatives in blending bio ethanol and hydrogen, these all will help us achieve our targets faster.
So, one final question. In India's journey of energy transition, what technology are you personally looking forward to?
In energy transition and on the technology front, see, we are looking at energy efficiency. That will be the first thing that we'll have to do, and digitalization or digital initiatives and analytics, which will help us increase energy and efficiency. And energy efficiency, the first step towards achieving or reducing emissions. So energy efficiency is going to be the first step, and the alternate energy renewables will be the second step.
Thank you so much for joining us today, sir.